Hi, أهلا وسهلا. In today's lesson we will focus on how to pronounce Arabic letters. Also we will have a small intro into Arabic phonetics. So let's go! First we will start reviewing the Arabic letters and Tashkeel, which means the Arabic accents. Later we will start learning how to pronounce the Arabic letters in syllabi. This will be actually divided into different parts, in which two major parts will be covered in this lesson and the next lesson, as planned for this basic level, level 0 to learn Arabic from scratch. Also, we will study special cases to how pronounce some letters under certain circumstances in next primary and intermediate levels. As well, we will have a lot of examples to read and write Arabic. Now we will review the Arabic letters in the alphabet: Alif, Ba, تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زين سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون هاء واو ياء همزة. These are the letters as they are named in the alphabet. Now I will read every letter again, but in a syllable of the accent A. So, A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Dha, Ra, Za, Sa, Sha, Sa, ض, ط, ظ, ع, غ, ف, ق, ك, ل, م, ن, ه, و, ي, أ. Here we will review Tashkeel with some simple examples. There are 10 accents in Arabic. They are called Tashkeel. So when you hear Tashkeel, it means accents. The word Tashkeel is derived from the word shakkala. Shakkala, it means to form. So they make the form of the syllable. That's why they are called Tashkeel. They are classified based on their function to make the pronunciation of the letter associated with them. So let's start with the first group. The first group is called Al-Harakat, which literally means the movers. So they are the very basic Tashkeel in Arabic. Al-Fatha. Al-Fatha, it means like the opener. Al-Kasra, it means the breaker. Al-Dhamma, it means like the hugger. Because when you do it, you kind of tie your lips together to make the sound O. The Fatha is like when you open your mouth, ah. Kasra, like when you go down, like E. Dhamma, U. So the example here with the letter Ba. B, Bu. And they are placed as you see here. Al-Fatha on the top to make it indicating going up with A. Wal Kasra going down to indicate the sound E when you press down on your mouth while you're pronouncing it. While Ad-Dhamma with this shape, like when you make your mouth ooh. So you make this circle similar to your mouth ooh. So Ba, Bi, Bu. The second group is At-Tashdid. Actually, At-Tashdid means stressing. Ash-Shadda is the shape here that you see it here. So Ash-Shadd means the stressor. So when you have the stressor, it does not come alone. It always comes with another mover. So there is something called Ash-Shadda bi-Fatha, which means the stressor with Fatha. Ash-Shadda bi-Kasra, the stressor with Kasra. Ash-Shadda bi-Dhamma, which means the stressor with Dhamma. So let's see the example here. Ba, B, Bu. is basically the double as we see it in English. Make the pronunciation of the letter stronger, and in Arabic it's even more stressed and emphasized when you pronounce it. It's actually two letters joined to be only one letter. The next group is التنوين. التنوين is basically means the in adder. In Arabic is called noon, and التنوين it means the in adders. The in adders, you add in or noon on the top of each accent associated with it. So when you have the mover fatha 2 times, that means the letters is pronounced with fatha and noon. When you have التنوين بكسرة, we have the kasra double. That means the letter is pronounced with kasra and noon after it. When it's with dhamma, we called it التنوين بضمة, which means the letter is pronounced with dhamma and noon at the end of it. In the example here, we have ba, so ban, bin, bun. So here, let's do it with the movers alone, then with the others. Ba, bi, bu, ban, bin, bun. The last group is السكون, the stillnesser. It makes the sound of the letter stopped and there is no moving after it. So whenever you have the sukun or the stillnesser, you don't move with any vowel after it. You stop and start a new syllable without having any connection with harakat. An example here, and the sukun we just put this circle like circles. The letter remain in the same circle, doesn't move. So b. So that in general about the tashkeel. What I want you to know that later when you go more advanced in Arabic, you can totally omit writing them, and you will study the different Arabic phonetics, including the vowels and tashkeel, through the next lessons, including this lesson and the next one, until I see that you are sufficiently learning Arabic, so I will not use them a lot during our lessons because I can rely on your ability on reading the letters and the words without having the tashkeel on top, and you still can pronounce them correctly. When you know how to read and write without tashkeel, you don't need them anymore. They are not mandatory. In my intro into the phonetics of Arabic letters, I'm going to cover a lot of parts, some of them in this basic level and others in intermediate and advanced levels. I just want you to know all of them are essential to read, understand, and even make sense of what you hear comparing to what you read and write in Arabic. In the first part today, I'm going to start studying the movers and the stillnesser on the pronunciation of every letter. Later, I will cover the sound of letters under the stressor and the in-adders in the next lesson. But I want you to know that the sound of the letters under the movers, then followed by the letter Hamza, is completely different than when you have them without being followed with the same letter. So important, and it is a really big topic to cover in Arabic, including writing, reading, and listening. But you know that it is really big. I cannot cover it in the basic level, and I'm making lessons for it in the levels intermediate and advanced. Now, let's go with studying how to pronounce the Arabic letters under the movers and stillnesser. In this table, I designed the columns to show first each letter shape, and then how to pronounce the letter under the movers, al-harakat, or the stillnesser, as-sukun, in different situations. In the first group, when the letter is followed by a consonant. Then, when is followed by a vowel of the letters a, u, e, or as we say them in Arabic, alif, waw, ya. Then when they are followed with the consonant form of the letters alif, waw, ya. So let's start. Alif, a, إي أو أ آ إي أو أ أي أو با با بي بو أب با بي بو با بي بو تا تا تي تو إت تا تي تو تا تي تو ثا ثا ثي ثو إث ثا ثي ثو ثأ ثي ثو جيم جا جي جو إج جا جي جو ج جي جو حا حا حي حو إح حا حي حو حأ حي حو خاء خا خي خو أخ خا خي خو خأ خي خو دال دا دي دو إد دا دي دو دا دي دو ذال ذا ذي ذو إذ ذا ذي ذو ذا ذي ذو راء را ري رو أر را ري رو رأ ري رو ز ز زي زو ز زا زي زو ز زي زو سين سا سي سو اس سا سي سو سأ سي سو شين شا شي شو إش شا شي شو شا شي show. I guess now you started getting how to pronounce that under certain circumstances when it's followed by a vowel, when it's followed by a consonant, but not one of the letters that can be a vowel or consonant, which is alif, waw, ya, or when it's followed by alif, waw, ya, but on the consonant form. So let's continue. صاد صا صي صو إص صا صي صو صأ صي صو ضاد ضاء ضي ضو أض ضا ضي ضو ضأ ضي ضو طاء طا طي طو إط طا طي طو طأ طي طو ضا ضا ضي ضو إض ضا ضي ضو ضأ ضي ضو. I guess you started realizing when we have only the harakat or the movers, it's short. The vowel is not really extended. When we have it followed by the vowel, it is extended based on the vowel, and always when the letter has fatha and followed by the letter alif as a vowel, so it becomes together da. You never see kasra with a mad or with the vowel letter alif. So you will never see da like that. It cannot work in Arabic this way. If there is the vowel letter as a vowel, so always with alif we have fatha, with the vowel ya we have the letter with kasra, and when we have waw it will come with the mover dhamma. So ba, di, bu. These are extended. So they are mover. The mover fatha is associated with the vowel alif. The mover kasra is associated with the vowel ya. The mover dhamma is associated with the vowel waw. You cannot add any other movers in Arabic when it's come with the vowel letter, but you can have it when any other mover if the letter alif waw ya they came as a consonant as an extended form or a vowel form. So wa, ضي, ضو. If you notice, I could pronounce all of them with the mover fatha, and the letter still can pronounce as a consonant form, not as extended form as here. So let's continue. عين, ع, عي, عو, أ, ع, عي, عو, ع, عي, عو. غين, غا, غي, غو, غ. غا, غي, غو, غ. غي, غو. فا, فا, في, فو, إف. فا, في, فو, فأ. في, فو. قاف, قا, قي, قو, أق. قا, قي, قو. ق, قي, قو. كاف, كا, كي, كو, إك. كا, كي, كو, كأ. كي, كو. لام, لا, لي, لو, ال. لا, or written in this way, لا, لي, لو, لا, and can be written also this way, لا. لي, لو. ميم, ما, مي, مو, ام. ما, مي, مو, ما, مي, مو. This is the last group of letters. So let's do noon. Na, ni, no, in. Na, ni, no, na. Nay, no. Ha, ha, he, ho, ha, he, ho, ha, hay, how. Wow, wa, we, wo, o. Wa, we, woo. Wa, way, wow. Ya, ya, ye, you, I. Ya, ye, you, ya, yay, yo. Finish! We arrived to the end of this lesson. The next lesson, which will be also Tuesday next week, we will cover the second part of how to pronounce and read Arabic letters. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. شكرا جزيلا على المشاهدة. Please subscribe to my channel that will support me to grow faster. Like the video if you like it and you found it useful. Share it with friends and family who are interested in learning Arabic. Please write in the comment section your opinion and questions about Arabic and anything you want me to explain in the coming lessons. Please follow me on my page on Instagram and stay here to learn more. Thank you. Goodbye.